Welcome to day 10. Although all of the events in your life are governed by the law of cause and effect and are karmic events, there is great freedom in knowing that if you do not like the results of a previous choice, then you can always choose again. In every situation, there are countless alternatives that affect you and those around you. When you go to make that singular choice, it should nourish you and everyone else influenced by your actions. This is the law of karma or conscious choice making. True abundance or affluence is the ability to fulfill one's desires with minimal effort. When we speak of abundance as it relates to the law of karma, we can look to the concept of stewardship, responsibly caring for something we value, as a path to realizing our dreams. Taking proper care of a child, making healthy choices for our bodies, or using Earth's natural resources responsibly. All these are examples of good stewardship. Every action we take generates a force of energy that returns to us in kind. As we sow, so shall we reap. As we make conscious choices to care for what we have, more will be given to us. If you want to increase your material wealth, then consciously minding your financial affairs will add to your bounty. If more love is what you desire, practice being as loving as possible with every person who comes into your life. The law of karma reminds you to consciously sow the seeds of abundance and tend to them with the utmost kindness and care. Soon you will enjoy the plentiful fruits of your loving choices. Today, let's spend a moment asking the heart for guidance in conscious choice making. Putting your attention in your heart, ask yourself, will this choice bring fulfillment and happiness to me and to those who are affected by this choice? Do this each time you're faced with a decision that will impact you and those around you. Listen to your heart for the answer, and you will always make the conscious choice. Let's prepare for our meditation, taking a moment to focus on today's centering thought. Today, I make great choices because they are made with full awareness. Today, I make great choices because they are made with full awareness. Now let's begin. Please find a comfortable position, placing your hands lightly in your lap and closing your eyes. In this moment, go within, to that place of inner quiet where we experience our connection to the higher self. Let go of all thoughts and begin to observe the inflow and outflow of your breath. With each inhalation and exhalation, Allow yourself to become more relaxed, more comfortable, more at peace. Gently introduce the Sanskrit mantra for the law of karma, repeating it mentally and allowing it to flow with effortless ease. Om Kriyam Namah. Om Kriyam Namah. My actions are aligned with cosmic law. Om Kriyam Namah. Whenever you find yourself distracted by thoughts, sensations in your body, or noises in the environment, simply return your attention to mentally repeating the mantra. Om Kriyam Namah. Please continue with your meditation. I'll mind the time, and at the end, you'll hear me ring a soft bell to indicate it's time to release the mantra. Om Kriyam Namah. Om Kriyam Namah. Now silently in the mind. It's time to release the mantra. Please bring your awareness back into your body. Take a moment to rest, inhaling and exhaling slowly and deeply. When you feel ready, gently open your eyes. As you continue with your day, remember the importance of conscious choice making by reminding yourself of our centering thought for today. Today, I make great choices because they are made with full awareness. Today, I make great choices because they are made with full awareness. Today, I make great choices because they are made with full awareness. Namaste.